cute. Come here. Come up here and say hi to me. Come here, baby. Hi, honey. Oh, look at you. You're so sweet, baby. Oh, you gonna give me kisses? Oh, thank you. Help us. Can you sit? Come on, sit. Come on, sit. Sit. Oh, he's so skinny. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at those paws. They're huge. Look at your paws. They're huge. Sit. Come here. Sit. Sit. Aw, look at you. Can I see you? Thank you for kisses. What kind of doggy are you, huh? You're so cute. Oops, what did I drop? Oh my gosh, you are a Great Dane. Are you must be mixed. Yeah, you're a Great Dane mix. Come on, sit. That's why you're so huge. Good boy. Can I have a kiss? Good boy. You're so skinny though. Look at that. And his butt just wiggles and wiggles. I love the pink pigmentation on his nose and on his squishies. Wow, I can't get over how big those paws are. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go get you. Go get you. Go get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, look at you. Hey, come on. Come up here. One more time. Come on. Up, 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 up. Yay! Yay! Who's that?